Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of motivation. Have you ever found yourself feeling unmotivated or lacking that drive to pursue your goals? Well, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to share with you some amazing tips to get you fired up and ready to conquer the world. Everyone hits roadblocks on their journey, but it's how you overcome them that sets you apart. One of the most powerful ways to stay motivated is to set clear and specific goals for yourself. Break those big goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks that you can easily tackle. It's also important to surround yourself with positive and uplifting people who inspire you to be the best version of yourself. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. In order to stay motivated, it's crucial to take care of your physical and mental well-being. Make sure to prioritize self-care and find activities that bring you joy and recharge your batteries. Another key factor in staying motivated is to constantly remind yourself of your why, the reason you started in the first place. Visualize your success and let that vision drive you forward, even when times get tough. Celebrate your small wins along the way. They are proof that you're making progress. Sometimes, a simple change in your environment can do wonders for your motivation. Create a dedicated workspace or even change up the scenery to boost your productivity. Remember, motivation is not something that will always come naturally. It's a habit that you need to cultivate. Don't be too hard on yourself if you have an off day. Just get back on track tomorrow. Surround yourself with inspirational quotes, affirmations, or a vision board to keep you motivated on a daily basis. Now, let's talk about time management. Being organized and efficient with your time will skyrocket your motivation levels. Break down your day into blocks and allocate specific tasks to each block, giving yourself a sense of structure. Eliminate distractions like social media or unnecessary notifications that can derail your focus. As you work towards your goals, it's important to track your progress and reflect on how far you've come. This can give you a sense of achievement and serve as a powerful motivator to keep pushing forward. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and take risks. Growth happens when you challenge yourself. Remember, motivation is not a destination, but a continuous journey. It requires constant nurturing. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more motivational content.